So the more bromothymol blue you have in it, the longer it will take it to change. So Brianna should have taken the longest to change, and it looked like it did. So basically, when you were breathing out carbon dioxide, what did you make?
Acid.
An acid. What is the acid?
The bubbles.
What is the acid called?
Oh,
It's carbon dioxide. So what acid is it? Most acids end in ic, so it's carbonic acid. Carbonics, like carbon.
Oh yeah.
So it's from carbon dioxide. So it's carbonic acid is what we made. That's what's happening with ocean acidification. So it's just carbon dioxide mixed up with ocean water, and it's making it acidic. This is not so acidic that it's going to burn you. It's just like a citric acid kind of thing. But it is acidic enough to where it can alter the pH and kill off like coral reefs and stuff
This
like
right
that.
here?
So you're saying if we put our finger in it, it would burn us?
No, I just said it's not acidic enough to burn you. This is basically like a Coke, pretty much. It's not going to really hurt you.
That's what I said.
Okay, so other things that you can test out with bromothymol blue, which we're not going to do this, but like in AP environmental, you test carbon emissions, so you can put like bags over exhaust. So like with newer and older cars.
That'd be dope.
And then you take the bag and you put it over a beaker and tighten it. The beaker's got the bromothymol blue, and you kind of swish it back and forth. Okay. If it's got a lot of emissions, what's it going to do?
Turn super yellow.
Yellow super fast. Okay. If it's a newer car, it shouldn't be putting out as many carbon emissions, so it's going to take a lot longer if it even changes. So that's another way that you can kind of test carbon emissions. So bromothymol blue is good for testing out like carbon and seeing if it's making stuff acidic or if it's releasing carbon dioxide. Also, one other thing. If you exercise, like if you were to do jumping jacks or something, or push-ups or something, and get really winded and blow into it, what's it going to do?
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow really quick because you're exhaling so much carbon dioxide. What about if you smoke?
Oh yeah, that part turned yellow real quick.
People that smoke, it turns faster. People that exercise a lot or have been exercising a lot, it turns faster. So, yeah, we had to do this in college, and they made us do like one of those things, like either smoke or exercise or something, and test it. So
So they said you either had to smoke or exercise?
What'd you do?
I exercise. No, I have never smoked a cigarette, so I was not about to do it in college for an experiment.